Okay, boys and girls, this is going to be a how-to video for Mr. G's science class. What we're going to do today is this how-to video is going to be on completing your daily question, because we've seemed to have a little bit of trouble with this in the past. So this is what you do. On Schoology, you're going to go to your course. For today, I'm in block 2, but you would go to your course, obviously. You would scroll down and you would find the unit that we're on, which happens to be Unit 2. Click on the folder. 2 more folders pop up. Whenever you're looking for an assignment, it's going to be in the homework folder, and these are all the assignments that get grades assigned to them. You would find the daily question, Unit 2, right here. You would click on it, and it tells you when it's due, which is going to be Friday the 14th. Gives you a description of what's going on with this question, this assignment, and it gives you a link to the assignment. Okay, now over here to the right, usually it has a little bar where you submit this assignment. It's not there, and don't be worried, it's not there because you can't submit it until the 14th, which is 12 days away. So we would click on the daily question, it comes up. Now this is a view only, so you need to make a copy so you can edit yours. So you would come to File, go to Make a Copy, and then in science class we're going to delete the part that says Copy Of, and at the end you're going to write your first name and your last name. So for me, I would write Case Gasparovich. Then once you've done that, you come to the folder and you pull up what would be My Drive, and you would click Select. So now we have the daily questions, Unit 2, your first name, your last name, and it should be the My Drive folder. And you're going to click OK. So now this is your copy to edit. And if you look at it, it has a few important instructions. So follow along with me. It says if there's a question on the daily agenda, and that's on the board every day, and it's also on Schoology for you to look up if you're absent, you need to find the highlighted in green question. And then you would make a copy or type that question into this document and answer it. You need to complete this even if you are absent. So here's an example. It has the date and the question highlighted in green, and then down here in black it has the answer to the question. So now we have to find the question. So you would go to your Schoology page, and under Materials, at the top of every unit, it's going to say the daily agenda. You would click on the daily agenda, and it has every agenda for the unit that we're on, so every day of this unit. So what you would do is you would come down and you would find the most recent day, and for us there isn't a question. Notice there's nothing highlighted over here in green. So for just this example, we're going to go to this day, and here's your question highlighted in green. We're going to highlight all of that, and on your keypad you're going to hit Control C to make a copy. We're going to then go back to our daily question, and you're going to hit Control V on your keypad to copy this into your document, and then you need to answer your question. So to do that, you have to come up here to the color text and click highlight, and we don't want it highlighted in green, we want it in black. You would answer the question. So the answer to this is it's a compound because it has 2 atoms of different elements. Okay, so then you've answered the question, and it's here forever unless you delete it. And what we would do from this point is you would just wait for the next daily agenda that has a question. You would highlight, copy it, paste it, answer it again, and then at the end of the unit you would turn it in. And that is how to answer your daily question.